Today we're going to be making masks for this coronavirus thing. So these are the materials. Got one handkerchief, two rubber bands. You can do the same color, but I don't have the same color, so I'm doing one golden and one green. And make it like the size equal, because if one is small and one is big, your ears will pain. So make it the same size. So this is really easy. So let me show you how to make this mask. So first, get the you should have a little a square handkerchief. So now take the edge and fold it half. Okay? And now fold the rest completely like that. Okay? Now take one rubber band, put it this side. Now take the other one, put it the other side. Okay? So now you will have like this, but this is not the end. So now put this inside, this inside, like this, and now you can just put it in your, like this. So that's how you have to do it. So this have to go in your ear. Okay, so it'll look, so it's really easy. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to get more of our creative